Over the last few months, I rebuilt my entire Power BI workflow around three things: file structure, the PBAP file format, and Claude skills. What I ended up with is a developer workflow, fast, repeatable, and it scales across reports. Let me walk you through how I work. Everything starts in one folder. I drop in the PBAP, that's the report, a few skills I'll be using today, and a Claude MD. PBAP keeps your data safe. Claude only sees the structure, never the data itself. That's all it needs. Claude MD is the system prompt for the project. It tells Claude what kind of work it's doing here, how the folder is structured, and what rules to follow. Mine has rules about which folder is read-only, how to handle TMDL and JSON files, what to do on every startup. It's not a prompt I type each time. It's the project's instruction manual that Claude reads on its own. So once everything is in place, I open VS Code and I type one word: Hi. Claude reads Claude.md and runs the startup routine. It installs the skills into the right place, moves the report into a model folder, sets up directories for inputs and analysis. 10 seconds later, setup done. Model detected, 3 skills loaded. It's time to use them. First, clone page. Power BI has a built-in duplicate page, and for a simple page it works fine. But the moment your page has bookmarks, and most production pages do, duplication falls apart. That's what clone page handles. Pointed at the source page, Claude reads the JSON, regenerates every internal ID, remaps the bookmark navigators, clones the bookmark groups with all their children, and updates references across every visual type: images, shapes, action buttons, everything. Same page, fully independent. Bookmarks work on the copy. The original is untouched. Works the same way on any report every time. Next, last in months. I want to add a rolling time period filter to a chart. Normally that's a new measure, a slicer, layout adjustments, interaction wiring, and somewhere to put the measures so the model stays clean. Lots of small decisions, all easy to do badly. I run the skill, pointed at the visual. Claude asked 2 questions: how many months in the slicer, and what kind of calendar I'm working with. And here's the thing, it doesn't ask blind. It scans the model first, finds the existing date table, and gives me a recommendation. I just confirm. The slicer lands next to the visual, inside a bookmark, with 2 text boxes for context. The measures landed in their own folder in the model, not at the root. Interactions are configured properly. The slicer affects only this visual, nothing else. These are the details a senior dev would do by hand. The skill does them every time. Now, same skill, second visual on the same page. But this time the skill asks one more question. Should the new slicer be independent, or should both visuals share one slicer? I want them independent, 2 separate rowing filters side by side. Different chart, different placement, same pattern. Run it on the next report, you get the same thing. Last one, Trendline Callouts. 3 line charts at once, 1 command. Plain line charts before, after, max in red, min in green, last value highlighted, area fill, custom tooltip on each. Every skill I build is optimized for context. Small, focused, runs cleanly without overloading Claude. That's what makes the workflow repeatable on any report and any model. If you want to try some of the skills from my library, send me a DM. I'm looking for 5 to 10 Power BI devs to test them on real projects. Let me know what you think in the comments.